Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, May 21st. I'll be available for office hours from 11:30 until 12 o'clock. Hop on WebEx if you'd like to join. Remember, today is your last day of new lessons this week. Tomorrow will be used for catching up on work and coming to your small group reading lesson with me. Have a terrific Thursday. Love, Miss Rimride. For your greeting today, write a kind note to somebody that you live with. For sharing, comment on our post with an answer to this question. What are your plans for our long Memorial Day weekend? If you didn't know, we don't have school on Monday because it's Memorial Day. So you guys have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off. So what are your plans for your long Memorial Day weekend? And lastly, for the activity, come up with your own word problem and see if someone at home can solve it. Remember, a word problem is just a story with a math problem in it. So in our lesson yesterday, I gave you guys some word problems to solve. So one example was that I had 4 apples at home and Nate brought home 7 more. Now how many do we have? So come up with your own story like that and see if somebody at home can solve it. Have an awesome day, and I can't wait to see what you learn.